Okay, assalamu alaikum. Here I'm going to show you how to rerun the command. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna launch this command with change language mode, and then I have in my macros extension, I have created the rerun command, which is through my JSON here, states the workbench action point show commands and use the last one. Okay, so this will execute the last command shown, last command that I have executed in my what is it called, what's it called, console or command line VS Code. So keep it short. This is change language mode is my last command on the console. I'm gonna repeat it by pressing my shortcut, which is Control num1, and it's gonna happen. Look, and you can see it does not happen automatically. I'm gonna do another command, which is to show you the truth of this. I'm gonna do the theme, change theme. Now I'm gonna do it here, change theme. Okay, random theme. Okay, I did random theme, which is my last one. So I'm gonna do it with the keyboard shortcut now. I'm doing it now. You see? I'm doing it again. You see? I'm doing it again. You see? It opens and then very fast executes again. I hope this helps. And by the way, do not forget this is the extension called Macros. This is the extension I'm using. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. And then enjoy this music till it ends. And then see you the next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Wait for it. See ya.